New Mazda Miata MX-5. Mazda's pint-sized MX-5 Miata isn't just small, it's a powerhouse of driving joy. This two-door convertible thrives on winding roads and demanding tracks, thanks to its nimble frame and finely tuned chassis. Packed with a spirited 181 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the Miata delivers a thrilling experience, especially when coupled with its standard 6-speed manual transmission. Whether in a soft top or retractable hardtop guise, the Miata truly shines with its top down. However, daily practicality takes a back seat due to its snug cabin, limited trunk space, and minimal storage, making it more of a weekend warrior. What's new for 2024? Mazda gives its iconic roadster a breath of fresh air in 2024. A subtle styling facelift introduces new exterior lighting, a refined grille, and updated wheel designs. The infotainment display grows to a generous 8.8 inches, and manual transmission Miatas receive a new limited-slip differential. Enhancements to the suspension and power steering systems aim to elevate the driving experience, while new driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and rear automated emergency braking add a touch of modern safety. It was the need of the hour, keeping in mind the engine that this beast carries. Engine and transmission. The Miata's spirited 2.0-liter engine, coupled with a responsive manual transmission and an optional automatic with swift shifts, delivers lively acceleration. Clocking in at 5.7 seconds for the soft top and 5.8 seconds for the hardtop RF in the 0 to 60 mph sprint, the Miata offers a spirited, if occasionally bouncy, ride. Its sharp, playful handling and light tactile steering contribute to its overall fun factor. In spite of the fun of a genuine supercar that this car provides, it won't tease you with its mileage, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. The Miata's feather-light construction contributes to the impressive EPA fuel economy ratings of up to 26 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway. Real-world tests showcase efficiency, with the soft-top Grand Touring recording 36 miles per gallon and the hardtop RF Club managing an impressive 37 miles per gallon, both equipped with the 6-speed manual transmission. Interior, meticulously designed for driving joy. Step into the MX-5 Miata's interior, where elegance meets efficiency in its snug space dedicated to the thrill of driving. The controls, intelligently arranged in the compact cabin, are within easy reach. While the infotainment system's control knob placement may raise an eyebrow, the redundant touchscreen controls mitigate this concern. On the flip side, the cup holders unfortunately disrupt the flow, causing a slight inconvenience in beverage retrieval. For taller drivers exceeding 6 feet, a noticeable limitation emerges in terms of head and legroom. The passenger footwell's shorter design adds to the challenge for taller co-pilots attempting to find the perfect leg extension. Despite this spatial constraint, it's a forgivable drawback considering the expected snugness of a sports car interior. A standout feature of the soft-top Miata is its swift convertible action. Although manually operated, the top retracts and extends with impressive ease, adding a touch of simplicity to the convertible experience. Performance. Unleashing the MX-5 Miata. Mazda's commitment to driving excellence is evident in the latest enhancement, the kinematic posture control. This brake-based torque vectoring system aims to enhance the Miata's agility during spirited drives. While our experience detected its presence and a hint of brake aroma post-track session, its impact seemed subtle. Nevertheless, the Miata remains a featherweight champion, offering a light, nimble, and precise driving experience even at the brink of its capabilities. On the test track, the manual Miata sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a commendable 6.4 seconds. Although impressive, it lags slightly behind the Subaru BRZ at 6.1 seconds and rivals like the VW Golf GTI. The braking prowess is solid, accomplishing a halt from 60 miles per hour in a mere 113 feet. Though one would hardly expect a supercar to be comfy, but here we are talking about a different case. Unparalleled comfort in compact luxury. In the realm of small two-seat roadsters, comfort often takes a back seat, but the MX-5 Miata defies expectations, offering a surprisingly comfortable experience in day-to-day driving. While you may feel the impact of larger bumps on less than ideal road surfaces, the Miata adeptly cushions smaller imperfections, ensuring a smoother ride. Our editorial team highlights the Miata seats as a standout feature in the interior. Supportive and comfortable, they enhance the overall driving experience. The seat heaters, a thoughtful touch, prove their worth on chilly excursions, keeping you warm and cozy. However, a minor critique surfaces, with a few editors noting some peculiarities in the seat padding and bolstering. A notable downside, albeit expected in a convertible, is the considerable wind noise, especially with the top up on the highway. Communication with passengers might require a bit of a raised voice. Alternatively, embracing the open-top experience with the windows up offers a compromise, allowing you to revel in the Miata's unlimited headroom while accepting a bit of unavoidable noise. An added comfort comes from the tech that comes with this beast: infotainment and connectivity. Boasting an 8.8-inch touchscreen, the Miata's infotainment system features user-friendly controls, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Bose stereo with headrest speakers. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The Miata's warranty coverage aligns with industry standards, featuring a 3-year 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Complimentary scheduled maintenance isn't part of the package. Pricing and recommended models. While trim levels are expected to roll over from the 2023 lineup, pricing is poised to break the $30,000 barrier for the first time. The best value model will be determined once Mazda unveils official pricing, offering a comprehensive breakdown of standard and optional features. Rivals. While competitors like Toyota's 86, Subaru BRZ twins make a strong case, the Miata stands as the unrivaled star in the two-seat roadster category. The anticipation for the next-gen Miata, expected around late 2024, adds a layer of excitement. In seamlessly blending classic roadster charm with modern sports car prowess, the MX-5 Miata continues to be a dream for car enthusiasts, offering an effortlessly fun drive, iconic design, and the option for a manual transmission. We value your support. Subscribe for future car reviews and share your thoughts in the comments.